Yeah.
What are we making for dinner?
Chicken. Right, no, I'll tell you what. I'll make the animal noises and you got to tell me what animals they are, okay?
Look,
Okay?
I'm not trying to be a dick. But the idea of
What
this
does
being
the
good,
cow say?
it's not gonna happen.
Do you like this? Do you like this, Mum?
Oh, what, is it a devil cow?
No, do you like this?
Alright, okay. Okay, no, I'm going to tell you the animals and you've got to tell me what noises they make, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Chicken.
Mum, tell me.
Right, a horsey. A cow. God, this is scary.
That's just a cow
I
one.
know you can't help yourself.
Spider.
If you bring home a rabid animal, you're gonna get bit.
Okay, alright. What about a dolphin?